Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the mobile version of your website in Wix. So if you're having trouble with how your Wix site looks on mobile, this step-by-step 2025 guide shows you how to fix layout, spacing and responsiveness issues using Wix Mobile Editor. So, if your Wix website looks great on desktop but messy on mobile, don't worry. Wix gives you full control over the mobile version. In this tutorial, I will walk you through fixing layout issues, hiding desktop elements, and making your site mobile friendly. So log into your Wix dashboard, click the Edit Site button that you will see here, and you'll be navigated to another page. Now, on this page, click on the Edit Site button and it is going to take you to your site editor. Here, you're going to simply click the mobile icon to switch to the mobile editor. So wait for the page to load up, and here you will have to simply click on the mobile icon at the top left, that is just right here. Now this is where you will fix only the mobile view and your desktop version won't be affected. Drag and drop elements into correct position. You can click on any element that you want to drag and drop, and you can also resize any of the elements, position them anyhow you want, delete them, add more elements, or do anything with the elements on this page. You can fix overlapping text or images. You can tap on any section to resize or reposition it for better visibility or on smaller screens. Now you can select any element and click hide on mobile if it clutters your mobile view. You can also add mobile friendly elements like mobile friendly buttons or texts. Now make sure that there's enough padding spacing between the sections. Reduce font sizes if they overflow on the screen. For example, the one that you're seeing here. So I will bring this down. I will delete this extra search bar or click on hide, and I will resize this text. Now you can also check alignment, center alignment headings and buttons for best mobile display. You can choose to select any text and select their alignment or just place it anyhow you want. Now you can use the preview option to test how the site looks and scroll. Click on the preview icon and this will load up your mobile view for a site, and you'll be able to see how your website is going to look like on mobile. You can scroll down and see if it's good or not. Now if everything looks good, click publish button at the top right, and now your website will load properly across all mobile devices. So that's it. Your Wix website should now look clean and professional on mobile. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more Wix tips. Let me know in the comments if you want a part 2 for advanced mobile editing. And I will see you in the next one.